How to get BritBox free trial. BritBox offers a free trial to explore its extensive library of British TV shows, movies, and exclusive originals. Here's how to activate your BritBox free trial. Overview. The BritBox free trial typically lasts 7 days, giving you full access to its premium content. The trial is available through the BritBox website, app, or via partner platforms like Amazon Prime Video. Step 1. Visit the BritBox website or app. Go to www.britbox.com or download the BritBox app from your device's app store. Click on Start Free Trial to begin the process. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Create a BritBox account by entering your email address, a secure password. Alternatively, sign up using Google or Apple credentials. Step 3. Add payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card or use PayPal as your payment method. You won't be charged during the trial period, but charges will apply after 7 days unless canceled. Step 4. Start watching BritBox content. Once your trial is activated, you can enjoy classic British TV shows like Doctor Who and Fawlty Towers, exclusive BritBox originals, new and archived UK dramas, comedies, and documentaries. Step 5. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your BritBox account. Navigate to Account Settings Subscriptions. Select Cancel Subscription before the trial ends to avoid charges. By following these steps, you can explore BritBox for free during the trial period and decide if it's the right streaming service for you.